Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun static routing lab. Static Routing Lab, Simulation 13. We will configure static routes between R1 and R2 to reach the ISP and the LAN behind R4. Let's get started. First, on router 1, we want to create a specific route just for the server at 10.0.4.1.10. We'll use a host route for this, pointing to R2 as the next hop. The command is r1 config #IP route 10.0.4.1.10 255.255.255.10.0.12.2 who.12.2. That /32 mask ensures only traffic to that server uses this path. This is a host route over 32 mask equals only that server. Next hop is R2 task 2. On router 2, we need a way to reach the internet. Now we configure a default route on R2, pointing to the ISP. The command is r2 config #IP route 0.0.0.0.0 209.165.200.225. Default route equals 0.0.0.0.0.0.0.0. This sends all unknown traffic to the ISP. This sends any traffic R2 doesn't know about straight to the ISP. Now for some redundancy. On R1, we'll set up a primary route to R4's LAN through R3. But what if that link fails? We'll create a floating static route through R2 with a higher administrative distance. Let's say 200. R1 config #IP route 10.0.4.1.0 255.255.0 10.0.12.2 This backup route will only activate if the main one goes down. TASK4. R1 prefers R3 for 10.0.4.1.0/24. Now we configure the primary route to R3. Command R1 config #IP route 10.0.4.1.0 255.255.25.0 10.0.13.2 lower AD default one. This is the preferred route. Finally, don't forget to save your work on each router with write memory command. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lab video.